Howdy ho, guys and gals. Jeff King here, back again here in the Den of Tools. And today we got some hot news about the Hart rollout system. I know, hot news and Hart, you're like, and the rollout system. It's been around for a little while, not very exciting. I had it in my last video where we talked about the great deals going on pack out, top system, T-stack, all that stuff. And I kind of mentioned the Hart as like an also ran at the end. And I said that because, you know, hey, the price is great, $88, but there's just nothing else to go with it. Until now. We just got like literally 15 minutes after I finished and published that video, I go over to our Facebook group, the Den of Tools group. Are you a member? Why not? There's 75,000 people sharing all sorts of deals and tool tips and all sorts of fantastic stuff over there. It's free. Go check it out. That said, I go over there and our buddy Corey over there has just blows it all wide open. He got his paws on this. This isn't the only box. There's 3 more, so 4 in total new boxes in the Hart lineup, more than doubling the options that you had before. So you've got $39.96 on this. Now that's the list price. That's like, you know, we don't know what the rollback pricing and all the holiday savings and all that kind of stuff is going to be on that. And we don't even know when the exact launch is going to be, but Corey got his paws on one early, and I'll tell you how he did it. He did it by doing writing reviews on Walmart's website, and they saw that, and they're like, hey, here's a good guy. He writes good reviews. Let's reach out to him and see if he wants to do a demo product on this and take a look at it. And so he got his paws on one early. They forgot to tell him not to release the information. Since he didn't agree to it, here we go. We got it here. And we're going to have all sorts of information here for you. So this is the 2-drawer system here. There's some other ones we'll show you here later. So we got the 2-drawer. Here's a key point. Look at that. Those are metal rails on this. I think that's fantastic to see on this. I was worried that if Hart went this route, they might just do a plastic slide out. The metal rails are key for long-lasting, ease of use kind of stuff. And I guess I shouldn't be surprised because, of course, Hart is made by TTI. These are the same guys who make Milwaukee, Rigid, and Ryobi. They know what they're doing. They've been doing this a little while. Anyway, they also comes with dividers here, so you can set up and organize your box however you like. That's really nice. Love the color-coded grips up on top. Nice, big, sturdy grips. Looks good there. There's the lock on there. She's got pass-through for a padlock as well. We come over here. Here's the tag showing you, what it looks like. And we got the dimensions. Basically 19 inches by 13 inches by just over 9 inches is going to be the size on this. It's going to be the full width of the whole stack. But there's some of the other ones they're coming out with. You can see how they've put them together. Some of the small modular boxes. We got a new top box, and we got 2 options on the stacking drawer type boxes. So you have the one that we saw here, which is the 2-drawer system, and then they also have a transparent container for your small parts bin kind of stuff. So you can have all sorts of storage and all sorts of options with this. I'm pretty excited about this. This is a great option for DIYers, the weekend warrior types, or even, your budget-minded pros might even be looking at this. Now, Corey, we got to show him some love because he decided to go ahead and start his own YouTube channel to really showcase this stuff. This is awesome. His first video over there, and I think it's fantastic. He did a great job on it. Go check it out. Give him some love. Give him a thumbs up. Even consider subscribing. Who knows? Maybe we'll get a great new content creator over here in the Tool Tuber community. That'd be fantastic. He does a great job of taking a look at this. Dad to the Bone of that is his channel, so go check it out. Now, this said, I know tons of you are going to be like, does this mean that that's going to also work with Ryobi? Is the Ryobi one coming out? Because TTI, they own Ryobi, they do the Hart stuff also. It looks to me like these are entirely different systems. So don't expect, these are not good. First of all, I know they're not going to be interchangeable. The Ryobi locking system and the Hart locking system are entirely different. So they're not going to work together. The only hope here, though, is if you're looking to get in the Ryobi system, is that they're at least going to see what's going on and know that they need to come out with more than just the 3 boxes at launch. Hopefully we see a drawer system. I think drawer systems are huge for these pack out kind of systems because it allows you to get in there without having to take everything apart. And that's really important, I think. Now, the sources I have are telling me that the Hart system is made by Keeter. Keeter makes some fantastic stuff. We know they've been making other stuff for Hart. I've got 2 of their tables here behind me under these tools. They're fantastic tools, or fantastic tables. And, they make great stuff. Now, here's another leak that we also found out just after the video released the other day, and that is that Bauer over at Harbor Freight is coming out finally with their pack-out system that we heard leaked. Boy, it has to be 2 years ago they were first talking about that. And as you can see here, we got the three boxes for the tower system, the base, the middle, the top, plus a clear top parts container and their own version of the milk crate there. Hopefully it's not like Packot's $45 milk crate version. I sincerely doubt that coming from those guys. Anyway, be sure to show Corey some love over at Dad the Bone. Check him out. Also, if you like what you saw in the video here, be sure to give us an old thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.